Welcome to another OfficeLogix Shop tutorial for the Herman Miller Aeron chair. This tutorial will focus on the seat aspect. You will learn how to completely remove your Aeron seat, remove and replace your seat links, and reinstalling the seat. Let's start. In order to remove the Aeron seat, start by unscrewing the seat bolts as shown. Next, remove the bolts on the mechanism. Easy, right? Now let's remove the seat links. Removing the seat links is an easy process. You have to remove the screws on the bottom of the seat links. You can use pliers to hold it down and have more control. You need to keep these seat links if you're replacing your seat, since you will be using them again on the new seat. Now to insert them back, you have to pay attention to the seat link's shape when you insert them. As you can see, the arc should be pointing up. Align the seat link with the hole, then insert the bolt into the hole and through the seat link. Insert the nut on the other side of the bolt, then tighten it well. After installing the links on your new seat, you can proceed to attach the seat to the chair. You can notice how the back here is removed. Please note that you do not need to remove the back. We removed it because we were doing another tutorial as well. Make sure that the arms are pushed away so you can have enough space, then insert the seat as shown. Reattach the seat links to the mechanism cover, then insert the mechanism bolts and tighten them. Insert the seat bolts too. It's recommended to tighten the first side just a little bit, then once you insert and fully tighten the other side, you can fully tighten the first side. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if you want us to do a certain tutorial. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tutorials and in-depth reviews.